So in the last video, just we knew about how to select a domain and hosting, and in fact we came to know how to check the complete hosting plan as well. So here in this video, just I'm going to tell you about the hosting and creation of your website. So this is a website called infinityfree.net. So in this platform, you will be taking totally free hosting, and you can create your subdomain and you can host your site as well. And somewhere, if you have purchased your own domain, right, so you can host that domain in this hosting service totally free. So for the practice purpose, you can use this platform as well. So if you are the new user of this site, so certainly you have to create an account over here. So after clicking sign up now, so you will be filling your details over here like email address, password, and after that the confirmation mail, it will come to your mail ID after creating an account, and through the mail just you have to confirm, and your account it will be created over here in this platform. So after creating your account here, just you can see your dashboard. So if you want to create, I mean, the subdomain and you want to host your site, simply you have to click on create account, and here just you will be selecting subdomain as well. So this is the actually domain extension. So from here just you can select any of the domain. So these are the four options it is coming over here. Four or five options it will be there. So simply you can select any one of this one. For example, this is the subdomain, and here you have to type your site name that you want to use it. So simply just I will be taking um, so I have typed the name here. Simply you have to click on search domain. So here we can see the message is it is coming the domain, it is available. Okay. And after that simply you have to scroll down and just you can leave this part not required, and after that just click on I'm not a robot, and here you have to verify. Okay. So after that you have to click on create an account, and here just you can see the control panel. Okay, so just you come over here, click on that. So your control panel it will be opening. So as I showed you in the last video, the appearance of control panel, similarly the same thing you will be able to see over here. Here you have to come and click on I approve. All right. So now after that the message came and your control panel will be opening here. Now just you can see the control panel has opened now. So this is the backend and actual dashboard. So from here, just you can manage your file, and whatever the site you will be updating, it will be uploaded in the file manager as well. So guys, from here, the thing you have to do, only you have to install WordPress software. Simply scroll down, and here you have to search for Softaculous app installer. So yes, this is Softaculous app installer. So just click on this. So there app will be opening. So similarly, you have to look for WordPress and you have to install that one. So yes, we can see here many softwares. So you have to prefer this WordPress. Click on install. So here just we can see this is the WordPress, and by default your subdomain it has taken, which we have select. And from here If we want to change the site name, so similarly, yes, we can set it. And here the site description, if you want to give, so yes, it is up to you. You can give the site description. You can leave it, or later on you can change it. And after that, here you have to set the admin username and password as well, right? By default, your mail ID is taken. Yes, that admin username and password, it will be used for your operating backend part of WordPress. So there you can design your website. Just will be typing the username and password. So we have set the username and passwords. Please scroll down, and here you can see the theme, multiple themes it is coming. So it is up to you. So if you want to select at the starting, so you can. Otherwise, you can ignore this one. Later on, we'll be working on that. And after that, here just you have to click on install button. It will be installing. It will take a little time to get it installed. So yes, we can see here our website. This WordPress is installed now, and our website is also live. So if you want to check your site whether it is live or not, simply come here and click this link. So here just you can see at the top, this is the URL with the subdomain mindwix.webstoblog.com, right? And this is the website. So this is totally plain website, and here we can see the title of the website that we have set it, and this part we left, so that will be setting. And this is totally plain site, nothing we have done. Okay, so at the back end, just will be designing this site, and will be updating on that. And for going at the back end, right? So again, you can come over here. So here, this is the link like WP admin. So by clicking on this, you can go at the backend part. Otherwise, come to your site, and here, just after your site name, type slash and type WP admin and press enter. So yes, here you can see uh, this is the actual backend part. So from here, you can type the username and password, and you can access the completely dashboard. From here you can design your website. So similarly, just the username I'm typing and the password. So yes, the password I have typed, and simply you have to click on login. So your dashboard, backend part of WordPress, it will be opening. So guys, just you can see here, this is the dashboard. It has opened now after typing the username and password. And from here, just we can access the site. So the next video just will be understanding all these options, and will be knowing about its functionality. So like that way, you can also install WordPress. Just you can go to Infinity Free account. There you can create an account. You can select a subdomain, and after that, it will take to you to the control panel, and from there you have to install WordPress. That's all. That's only the process.